Example 2. Here are some examples. Example 2 and 3. In example 2, find the next number. Find the next number from the following list of the number. So we can see that the difference from the first first pair is difference is 3, and then difference is 5, then 7, then difference is 9. That means 3, 5, 7, 9. That means serial odd numbers will be the difference here. That means in the next step our difference will be 11. So the next number will be 11 plus 25. 11 plus 25, that means 36. So 36 is the next number of the series 1, 4, 9, 6, 25, and then it will be 36. Example 3. Find the next number from the following list of numbers: 1, 5, 6, 11, 17, 18, and what will be the next number here? Solution. At first we will find out the differences of the series here. First difference is 6, and then 11, 17, 28, 45. So sum of consecutive two numbers. Given numbers in the list, this and these are sum of consecutive two numbers. 1 plus 5, that means 6, the next number. And if we add the next, if we add 5 and 6, we can get 11, that means the next number. So all these are Fibonacci number. If we add first two consecutive number, and then if we get the summation of the first two consecutive number is the next number, it will be Fibonacci number. In this figure, in this picture, we can see a sculpture of a mathematician, and his name is Leonardo da Pisa. In 1150 AD, Italian mathematician Leonardo da Pisa invented this series. That means the Fibonacci series. His nickname was Fibonacci. So his process or his series is called Fibonacci series or Fibonacci number. Real application of Fibonacci number. If we observe the picture here, we can see here just one square, and then here 2. If we add 1 and 2, we can get 3. And if we add 3 and 2, we can get 5. And if we add 5 and 3, we can get 8. And if we add 8 and 5, we can get 13. And then if we add 13 and 8, we will get 21st or 21. Similarly, we can get more numbers in Fibonacci series. So this is the real application of Fibonacci number here. That means like a coil, it will increase gradually from smaller to greater. And this one also another real application of Fibonacci number. That means 1 plus 2, that means 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, that means 13, 13 plus 8, it will be 21, and 21 plus 13, it will be 34. Another number will be like this. So all these are the real application of Fibonacci numbers in our ear hole, and in some animals and flowers, and in the universe we can get the real application of Fibonacci numbers, and that means it will increase gradually like a coil. If we add two consecutive numbers and its summation is the next number, these are Fibonacci numbers. That means 0 plus 1, that means 0, 1 plus 1, that means 2, and 2 plus 1, it will be 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5 13, and 13 plus 8 it will be 21, and 21 plus 13 it will be 34, and 34 plus 21 it will be the next number. What can we see? Can we see any pattern here? Yes, we can see a pattern here. The pattern is, if we add two consecutive number, we can get the next number. That means the summation of the first or the two consecutive number, we can get the next number. Find the next 10 Fibonacci number. Here there are some Fibonacci numbers, and then what is the Fibonacci number just after 34? So 21 plus 34 it will be 55, and then another one will be 34 plus 55, that means it will be 89, and 55 plus 89 it will be 144, and then 89 plus 144 it will be 233, and 144 plus 233 it will be 377, and 233 plus 377 it will be 610, and 610 plus 377 it will be 897, and 610 plus 897 it will be 1597, and 1597 plus 987 it will be 2584, and the next number will be 1597 plus 2589, it will be 4181. So all these are the next 10 Fibonacci numbers. In this addition, we have to add the first one and the last one. That means it will be 11, and then we will multiply by the half of the terms, half of the number of the terms. That means 10 divided by 5. That means 10 divided by 2. That means 5. If we multiply here, we get 55. So the formula of addition of consecutive numbers will be first number plus the last number multiplied by number of the terms divided by 2. Suppose S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, and another S is equal to same but from the smaller greater to smaller. And if we add 1 and 10, it will be 1 plus 10, here 2 plus 9, 3 plus 8, like this. So if we make pairs, we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 pairs. And suppose 2s is equal to this and 2s is equal to this, and that means s is equal to this divided by 2. So here we must divide by 2 in this formula. That means the summation will be first number plus last number multiplied by number of the terms, and then at last we must divide by 2. Activity: finding the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 15. Establish the formula. We know the sum of consecutive numbers is equal to first number plus last number multiplied by number of the terms and divide by 2. And if we add, we can get 16 and multiplied by number of the terms, that means 15, and divide by 2. And if we divide 16 by 2, it will be easy to divide 16 by 2, that means 8, and then multiplied by 15. If we multiply, we can get 120. So we can get the formula: the first number plus last number multiplied by number of the terms and divide by 2. In this picture, we can see that this is 1 square, here is 3 squares, and if we add 1 plus 3, it will be 4, and 4 is a square. And if we add 4 plus 5, that means 9, and 9 is also the square. And if we add 9 plus 7, that means 16, and 16 is also another square. So we have seen here that 1, 3, 5, 7, all these are consecutive odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, and 7. And here 4, 9, and 16 are the square number. All 4, 9, and 16 are square number. So we have learned that the summation of consecutive odd number, the summation of consecutive odd number or serial odd number is equal to the square of the numbers of the term. Activity: find the sum. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16. Okay, so if we solve to this problem, we know that sum of the consecutive numbers are first number plus last number multiplied by number of the terms divided by 2. So what will be the first number here? 1, and last number is 13. If we add, we can get 32, and then multiplied by 11 divided by 2. And if we divide 32 by 2, it will be very easier to divide. We can get 16, and then multiplied by 11. And if we multiply by 11, we can get 176. Subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share.